Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Survey with your free account. So if you are not yet decided if you want to subscribe to SurveyMonkey.com and you want to try to send your surveys to your friends, you can easily do it by creating a survey. I presume you already did it. And if you want to share the survey, sometimes it will show you this share your survey work better together. And it's urging you to upgrade to your next level, let's say, of working with SurveyMonkey. But if you go to My Surveys on top of your screen in the middle, and then go to either Share, you see still I'm getting this message, or go to Collect the Responses, which is this little flyer, and then collect the responses, you still have this web link that will work the same way. If you click on it or copy URL and then send it to one of your friends, you still can share you can still share the survey. So you can go like this, then you have the picture that I added on the previous videos, and also you can pick from the pictures you like the more, and then hit done. And it will work multiple times. So don't worry, that's how you can still share the survey, even with your free version. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.